Morning, guys. Big day.
Morning, Coach.
Huh? Kind of like Christmas, huh? Hey, Jake, here's the staff. Hey! All right, we ready? I know, fired up. It's only 7. That's good. You look much better in red, just like you said. So excited for you. We're really excited.
We got everything on our hands. Going up. They are.
Right, get ready to catch the rock, right? Mom's doing great now. We're having a great morning, so just keep doing well in wrestling. Before you know it, it'll be here. Say hello to your mom's sister, and then have a great day. Say hello to Coach Saint. If you need anything, just holler and, go UMass. Welcome to the family, brother.
Best I can. Like, I just don't want to do the whole, and here's Haley. And you're like, ah! Right, exactly.
Brought a lot of great kids in, and really excited about this group. I think we've got an elite athletic group, smart guys, football-wise, and just excited about this group.
Strictly about relationships. We don't have, maybe not have all the glitz and glamour that other programs have, but we do have enough. We're able to compete with our facilities now, and what we have on campus. Brian Bamford said, top 30 education here at UMass. People buy into that and see it. So the relationship piece goes a long way.
The young guys, they are so excited. They're excited about what's happening here, and so that's what's getting us excited. Now we'll be done and we'll get to work with these guys. We've got kids that are UMass type players coming in. We know what those guys are like. They're going to get it done in the class, and they're going to represent everybody that wears UMass, and then and be tough football players. And our staff is really the one that's doing it.